Hi everyone, and today I want to show you the best Esim application for Bolivia, and you can find the link to it in the description below this video. I've tried many other apps and this one in my opinion is the best. So let me show you how easy it is to use. Just click on the link in the description, you will be redirected to Google Play where you need to download and open your app, and here and the first one you need to sign in and make sure that you are sign in with the link in the description because you will get $7.5 bonuses, which is crazy a lot. So now I will show you how to buy Esim application for Esim for Bolivia. Just simply click on Esim shop and find Bolivia. Here it is, and now we can see a lot of offers and choose the best offer for you. I will choose 1 gigabyte for 7 days. Click on I understand, and here you can see that you can choose how much bonus points to spend, and as you can see it's even more than half of the price, which is crazy a lot. I click on next, and you need to add your card. Once you've added your payment information, you're ready to go and your eSIM will be activated. So that's it. With excellent coverage, competitive prices and huge welcome bonus, you will definitely like this app, so be sure to try it out. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.